Right, so I've just arrived here in Hale Barns. We're about to take a look at the completed work. I'm looking forward to it. I'm going to get Jay on the other side of the camera to talk me through it. So give us that camera and let's see what we've got. Oh, very nice.
So the idea with the customer was, you know, everyone goes on their summer holidays and, you know, anywhere in the Mediterranean, very popular hotspots.
Yeah.
For most people, should I say, time is an issue.
Yeah.
So people want low maintenance, somewhere where they can enjoy a nice barbecue, enjoy a nice summer's day, where the kids have space to play out, but they, you know, they want something which is minimal,
Yeah.
easy to look after, and that was the idea we went for here.
Wow.
So we've got the Indian sandstone.
Yeah.
With the whitewash wall, which gives it that nice Mediterranean feel.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
The cedar wood, which we use, has a brilliant finish. You know, you see here the woodwork here, which matches the benches.
Yeah.
Bespoke made.
Yeah.
Something that you know, our work colleague Rob Oddy made himself. Fantastic bit of work. Solid as well.
Yeah.
Good to say. Good to know. And again, with the low maintenance theme, we got these screens here.
Yeah.
Artificial, but you know, it does the job. It gives you that sense of privacy.
Yeah.
But also adds a bit of colour and, you know, a bit of life to the garden.
Yeah, it's nice.
But that was done again with wooden frames and using the cedar work there, just to get that finish and give it that Mediterranean look.
Yeah.
One thing which we haven't put in yet, which is going to be the customer's discretion, is a few potted plants. Things scattered around to give it that really nice Mediterranean feel.
Yeah.
Again, we did a similar thing up here. Indian sandstone all the way through, which does come in a variety of colours. You don't have to be set to one colour. This one just went well with the wall. And again, we have the fake foliage screen there, which, again, in my opinion, for something low maintenance and easy to look after, does a fantastic job.
Yeah, it's really nice. So the neighbours are all right with the plastic foliage, Rob?
Yeah.
Are you happy with the work?
A little bit. Yeah, it's good.
It's awesome.
Really enjoyed it.
This is really nice, you know, because I saw the state this was in prior to it being finished.
Being rebuilt and extended.
Yeah. Nice bit of work that. Oh, that's an interesting little clock up there. Was that there last time I came?
Yeah.
I didn't even notice it. Does it work?
No. Well, might need a little bit of work.
Right, well.
Excuse for thinking you was in Palma or Mallorca.
Yeah, it's nice.
Thank you, Jan.
No problem. It's been a pleasure working on it with you guys. It's been good fun.
Nice.
So, here we go. So, if you're interested in having something like this done for your property, feel free to give us a call. Click on the link below, send us an email. Let's get to work.